What's up guys, Andy is back, and this time it's not gonna be how to beat a certain level or anything like that, but it's gonna be what is EA planning to do with this stuff and these hard levels, and what is the mega master plan this time? Are they really trying to help us with stuff, or is this just one of their another tricks? So the first match I'm gonna talk about is this preseason Chapter 3, Chapter 2, Volume 3. It's literally goddamn rage quitting insane. Is this match? It's just not. It's not realistic. One, Kepa is completely false. He's nowhere near realistic. Like, he saves insane shots. He literally saves every shot, which is, since they're not being realistic, and his stats are nowhere near how insane he's performing. Like, come on guys, the 110, this 110 acts like a 150 OVR card. Like, you could see, like, what is this? I ain't been just rude on EA just because I haven't beaten this level or anything, but it's not realistic at all. It's not realistic whatsoever. The old games are way more realistic. Like, come on, like, Kepa is literally insanely bad in real life. This is the first time I'm seeing him even save a shot. Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, the only way you're gonna beat this team is use finesse, nothing else. Don't use straight shot. They're absolutely useless. Like, you have to use finesses, and he just acts. He plays over his level. He plays way over his level. Do you know how he's a 1/10 with a 1/10 keeper who has garbage stats? His stats are actually garbage, and he's still saving insane shots. Like, that's just not fair. And plus, this game wants us to be like insanely pro at this. I think I know what EA is cooking up this time, and it's another money grab. Yup. They're never, ever even good for anything. They just want money. Then that's it. Literally, you have to sell your organs just to buy the things. Probably your what will it be? Maybe your heart, or maybe your heart. Yeah. Maybe it's just gonna be your heart or something. Like, these levels are crazy insane. I think I know what they're trying to do. They're trying to make us the levels too hard, matches too hard to even beat. So we have no choice except for just to spend money. And this, I think the reason they even figured this out is because people they won't start spending money. Come on, like, it's preseason. The stuff is gonna go obviously easily. So they thought, like, okay, how about we just do this, so people be like, okay, fine, I'll just waste money to get a Thiago Silva or whatever card you're talking about, because the matches are insanely difficult. They're not easy, and you need to be like at a pro level just to beat them. I gotten close so many times to beating them, but I just can't get it. Especially talking about the 3 midfielder goal. 3 score a brace with a hat trick with a midfielder. Who do you think we are? Hat trick hero? We're not hat trick heroes that we're gonna score. Look at this. 110 cards. It's not fair. It's literally not fun to play against. 110 cards. Like, it's not fun. Playing against 110 cards are not fun at all. No. No fun at all, guys. You need to change the game. The only way I can even think that they made this level so hard is like they just want us to spend money so we can get a better team by spending money. And you know how unrealistic Kepa is? He literally saved prime card stats. Del Piero on a full shot power. He was not even outside the box, so he has a really good chance of shooting. Like, I really don't think ZH is worth it anymore, because you look at him, look at SP FIFA's review on him. He said his shots are literally weak on his normal shots, but his finish shots are very strong. But come on, like, I don't really need a better right mid, since Williams' finish shots are already perfect, and he has decent stats. He's not that bad for his position, so I don't think he's worth it. So I'll just give you guys some tips. Choose one midfielder you want to play with and use basically him as your star player. Like, put your goal scoring machine in the midfield, and it's really that easy. For me, that goal scoring machine was not able to score 3 goals, sadly. Like, I don't think it's worth it. Struggle this much and just get a 106 card for like what? 1 or 2 days? Come on, guys. It's not worth it. The only thing even worse in this whole event is the 340 now and later points are the only thing which were even worth it. There's nothing else in the whole event which was actually worth it, except for those FIFA points. And those now and later points and FIFA points are the only ones which are actually worth it. I'll say it myself. EA are bad, but I am actually excited for the next season, which I probably should not be. Look, Kepa is saving this. Like, Kepa doesn't act like he's Kepa. Like, do you get what I'm saying, guys? He doesn't act like Kepa Arif. I think they just... Either there's two options. They're a Chelsea fan and they just put every Chelsea player they even know and made them as very high rated. Since if you look at it, literally all the Chelsea players are high rated. 80% of them. Timo Werner, Kai Havertz, all of them are high rated Chelsea players. Is that a coincidence? I think no. It's not a coincidence. It's just that they're a Chelsea fan. Like, they could be a Chelsea fanboy, and they're just like, yeah, screw it. We're just gonna put them at max stats. Like something like that. That's the only thing I can even think of for now. Nope. They're becoming worse day by day, season by season. It's becoming a worse game, but I'll still play it for some reason. Because I have the worst mind ever. Because I'm crazy. Because I don't know what I'm doing. And all of that stuff. See how hard it is to score. It's insanely difficult. It doesn't make sense. And I just expect everyone to be like pros in 5 seconds. Excuse me, but that's not happening with every single person is a pro in 5 seconds. Because these are not easy matches. They're literally hard. Oh, come on. All I want to say is, if EA are watching this, guys, stop making levels so hard. Match is so damn hard. It's insane. Bye.